Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to do a ghost trick. We'll start by selecting the perfect lightweight object, like a silk scarf, and preparing your hands. I'll guide you through finding an ideal, quiet practice space with good lighting, ensuring you have the best conditions for learning this captivating illusion. This foundational setup is crucial for mastering the trick effectively. Now, let's dive into the core movement. The key is a very light touch, almost imperceptible. You'll learn to use tiny, controlled finger movements to make the object appear to defy gravity, creating that magical floating effect. Remember to keep your arm and body as still as possible to sell the illusion. To make your ghost trick truly convincing, we'll focus on enhancing the illusion. Discover how to use natural hand movements as misdirection and why maintaining eye contact is crucial. Practicing in front of a mirror will help you perfect your presentation and spot any tells, ensuring your audience remains captivated by the magic. Finally, let's talk about perfecting your performance. The trick should flow seamlessly, almost effortlessly. We'll discuss varying your speed to add realism and the importance of consistent practice. With dedication, you'll build muscle memory and confidence, allowing you to master the ghost trick and amaze your audience every single time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.